Hi, Chris. Just a little status update and discussion here. We'll go over the first part of this is the first email, first part of the project. Under users, delete all but the following. Now, what I did, I read through the whole thing and saw what she had to say about deactivating versus deleting. So, for users, for the users, I just deactivated all other than these. Um, so that's what I did. So the other users are still in the table. Okay, under clients, delete these ones. That I did, and I did it via going into the actual database, which is the easiest way to do it, into here, and I deleted all these clients. So that's good. Now, if we delete these, will all the projects and timesheets listed under them delete too? The answer is not automatically, of course. Um, and that's what she would like to do. So for the projects table, it was easy to do via eyeballing. So I did it in the projects table. Let's see, 237 rows, there's not that many. So I just, via eyeballing, I deleted any project that had to do with a client that was deleted. Okay, timesheets are another issue, and that's what I'm about to do. Timesheets, and come on, why does it, there we go, okay. There are 9,960 total timesheets, not the kind of thing to eyeball it. And we've got what I was talking about before, foreign keys, client ID and user ID. Users are, looks to me to be NewsMark employees who go in and enter timesheets and do whatever else they do. Client is the client, they're working with. So, back to here. We want to delete all the timesheets associated with these old clients. But I deleted those clients from the database. Not a problem because I get the backup thing, the backup file here, and the first client in the list of clients to be deleted. Sorry if I'm giving you too much information, but you'll see why I'm doing this in a minute. Okay. Ergel Holdings. There we have Ergel Holdings. His client ID is 87. So I can go over here and put a little SQL statement, delete from table timesheets where client ID equals 87, enter. And it'll do its thing. And that's good. And then after that's done, we'll have gotten rid of any projects and timesheets associated with clients that are no longer clients. Then up here, more deletes. Under modify timesheets, delete all but Gigi Lubin, So that is dealing with a different key. These are users. So I think what I'll do is I'll make the little SQL statement, delete from timesheets where user ID not in, and then I will list the user IDs in succession for GG. If that's too technical, I apologize. But I suspect you can understand, appreciate what I'm doing here. Anyway, at the end of this, we're going to perhaps have the majority of timesheets deleted. So maybe instead of 9960, maybe we'll have 3,000. I don't know. 1,000, the vast majority will be deleted. Now it's fine because we have all the timesheets backed up in this file here, which I've put in two places, one place on my hard drive and then out on the server as well. That being said, I could see a case, given the amount of stuff that's being deleted and given what I know about things, audits, whatever, making it so that the stuff that's been deleted is easy to access. The easiest way would be to make a Fisher NewsMark backup database and just put this stuff into it and then have a way in their control panel to hook this up to that backup database if they needed to see all that stuff. I'm just talking about that kind of a thing, given my experience with deleting, the majority of stuff out of any database. All right, so that's one thing. And lastly, a case could be made to make this a little bit better, a little bit, I don't know, looking more current with a little more security in it and all that stuff. I think the NewsMark company is, tell me if I'm wrong, is this them here? Very professional website here. And we could, well, I kind of think maybe this should be improved a bit, but without changing, how do I put this? See many projects where an older, quote unquote, antiquated system is replaced by a new, fancy schmancy system, which is, as it turns out, no better, and there's a huge learning curve, and it's a debacle, money and time wise. So, rather than redoing the details of this, just make it look a little bit better. Maybe make it look kind of like that. And I don't think it would be even a good idea to put it under this domain, because having this where it is, which has nothing physically to do with this, is a good security idea. Very good security idea. But I can see a case to make this look a little better and have better security. So anyway, that is all. And okay, that's all. These things shouldn't be too